Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to set break reminders inside of the Instagram app. Break reminders are a new feature that Instagram has included to hopefully break up the time that we spend scrolling through the feed. It's pretty easy to enable and might not be a bad idea to do. To get started, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest release by heading to the App Store and checking to see if there are any updates available. Once done, open the Instagram app and then tap your profile icon on the bottom right. Next, tap the three-line menu button on the top right. Inside of here, select Your Activity. You will then see your daily average spent inside of the app. On the bottom inside of the Manage Your Time section, choose Set Reminder to take breaks. You can then choose between 3 time limits, 30, 20, or 10 minutes, for Instagram to remind you to take a break. Make your choice and then hit Done at the bottom. From now on, as you hit your set time limit, you'll get a reminder to take a break. And that's how you set break reminders inside of the Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.